Hey guys, I'm gonna be doing this intro real quick. I want to make this a useful and informational video for you. For those of you who don't know, Hurricane Laura took place on August 27th, and it affected my area as well as areas south of me and around me, which is Fort Polk, Louisiana. So for those of you in Texas and Louisiana who were affected, I wish you guys the best, and I hope you're all well. So I want to let you guys know what's going on. Cell service is really hard to get right now, and most of us don't have power. I thankfully do. I just got power back as of yesterday, and today is Tuesday the 3rd. So I got power back on the 2nd. Power went out the 27th at around 3 a.m. for me. That's when we were in like the eye of the storm. Thankfully, my house is perfectly fine. Well, kind of. Nothing was destroyed. None of us are hurt. And I'm very thankful for that because I do know people who lost their lives. And for those of you who may or may not know who they are, or if you're related or whatever, I'm very sorry. Some of these clips are not going to have sound. It's going to be a lot of pictures and just video I was able to take. It's hard to get around right now. So thank you for your time. As you guys can tell, on this road alone, there are so many trees on so many power lines. We're probably not going to end up having power for quite some time. See right there? Power line is down. And this is just one of many.